Okay, 1 plus 1 which equals 2. Then 4 times 2 which equals to 8. Okay, here 8 divided by 8 which gives us 1. But this is not the correct answer, because according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent and multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Okay, finally addition and subtraction. Remember that this multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. In this expression, there is one division in one parenthesis, in one multiplication here. Okay, one multiplication here. So first we have to do this parenthesis, then this division, and finally this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this parenthesis or this division, it's wrong. Therefore, first we have to do this parenthesis. Okay, 1 plus 1 which gives us 2. Okay, then 8 divided by 4 times 2. Then here is one division and multiplication. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority from left to right. So we have to divide this number first. So 8 divided by 4 which gives us 2. Okay, then times 2. Then 2 times 2 which equals 4. So this is the correct answer of this problem. Okay, therefore the correct answer of 8 divided by 4 in parentheses 1 plus 1 which equals to 4.